बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। My dear friends, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Dear friends, our Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, whomever treads a path of seeking knowledge, Allah will make easy for him a path to paradise, and the angel will lower their wings with pleasure for the seeker of knowledge. My dear friends, in our previous lecture, we started from chapter number 3 and we have learned about arithmetic mean. So we know that about the formula for arithmetic mean for ungrouped data, that is x bar is equal to sum of x divided by n. And now we have question number 3.3, first part. The average charges paid by 12 residents in the particular area for the electricity consumed is rupees 93.50. If the 11th of the resident paid rupees 110, rupees 90, rupees 68, rupees 95, rupees 118, rupees 85, rupees 78, rupees 87, rupees 120, rupees 82 and rupees 75. What amount was paid by the 12th resident? And now for solution, we have average charges, that is x bar, for 12 residents is 93.50. Using the formula of mean, that is x bar is equal to sum of x divided by n. We have the value of x bar, that is 93.50 is equal to sum of x divided by 12 because n is equal to 12. So we have to find sum of x. So we multiply 93.50 by 12. So we get 1122. So this is a sum of charges paid by these 12 residents. Now we have to find sum of charges paid by 11 residents. So we add these all 11 values and it is shown by sum of x dash. So we get 1008. This is a sum of the charges paid by 11 residents. Now we have to find charges paid by this 12th resident. That is equal to sum of x minus sum of x dash. This is equal to 1122 minus 1008. That is equal to rupees 114. This is the answer. This is the answer of charges paid by 12th resident. Now the next part is the average wage of 4 men is rupees 17 per hour. What is the average wage of the further 6 men if the average wage of all 10 men is rupees 20? The solution of this question: average wage of 4 men, that is x bar, is equal to 17. So we have the formula: x bar is equal to sum of wages of 4 men divided by 4. X bar is equal to 17. So 17 is equal to sum of x divided by 4. Now we have to find sum of x. That is, sum of x is equal to sum of wages of 4 men. So we have 4 multiplied by 17 is equal to 68. That is sum of x, sum of wages of 4 men. Now we have further 6 men. So 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. So we have now average wage of these 10 men is equal to 20. We have the mean formula, that is x bar is equal to sum of x divided by n. And we have the value of x bar is equal to 20. That is equal to sum of x divided by 10. And we have sum of x is equal to 20 multiplied by 10. And sum of x is equal to 200. That is equal to sum of wages of 10 men. Now we have to find average wages of 6 men. For this purpose, we have to find sum of wages of 6 men. So sum of wages of 6 men is equal to sum of wages of 10 men minus sum of wages of 4 men. So 200 minus 68, that is equal to 132. Now we find average wages of 6 men is equal to sum of wages of 6 men divided by 6. That is equal to 132 divided by 6. And we have final answer, that is x bar is equal to 22. And x bar is equal to average wages of 6 men. Now dear students, next topic is arithmetic mean for group data. Formula for arithmetic mean for ungrouped data is used when number of values is small. If the number of values is large, they are grouped into the frequency distribution. If x1, x2 and xn are the class marks with f1, f2 and fn as a corresponding class frequencies, the sum of values in the first class would be f1 x1, in the second class f2 x2 and so on. The sum of values in the nth class fn xn would be fn xn. Thus the sum of values in all the n classes would be sum of I is equal to 1 to n, fi xi is equal to sum of fx. The total number of values in the sum of class frequencies, namely f1, f2 and so on, fn is equal to sum of I is equal to n of fi is equal to sum of f. Since the mean is the value obtained by dividing the sum of values by their number, so the mean for group data is given by x bar is equal to sum of fx divided by sum of f. Now next question is 3.4. Calculate the arithmetic mean for the following data. Note that this is the group data because frequency is involved. These are classes. The class interval is 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20, 21 to 25, 26 to 30, 31 to 35, 36 to 40, and 41 to 45. And these are their class frequencies. Now, to find arithmetic mean for group data, first of all we construct frequency distribution table. In this table, first column is class interval that is given in our question and their corresponding frequencies. Now, first of all, we make next column and that is class marks. We call this as X. We find class marks as midpoints of the class limits. This is lower class limit and this is upper class limit. We add these two class limits and divide by 2. That is 1 plus 5 divided by 2 is equal to 6 divided by 2, that is equal to 3. And similarly, 6 plus 10 divided by 2, that is equal to 8. And 11 plus 15 divided by 2, that is equal to 13. Similarly, we can find these class marks and we called it as X. Now we have another column that is F multiplied by X, means this frequency is multiplied by X. 7 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 21. The 10 multiplied by 8, that is equal to 80. 16 multiplied by 13, that is equal to 208. And similarly, we multiply these numbers and we get the last column, that is f of x. Now we add the column of frequency, that is equal to 123, and we add the column of f of x. We add these numbers and we get 2504. Now we apply the formula for group data, that is x bar is equal to sum of f of x divided by sum of f. We have sum of f of x is equal to 2504 divided by sum of f, that is equal to 123, and we get finally 20.358, that is approximately equal to 20.36. Dear students, I hope you might have understood this lecture and now do practice these questions by yourself. Stay safe, stay blessed. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Jazakallah.